Hello, good morning everybody. How is everybody today? Today is Republic Day. Everyone is at home. It is a holiday. So I thought of making something with using my fresh leaves and fresh green chilies. Let us make choor choor paratha along with kale maang ki dal. That is called shahi dal. So now I am plucking a few leaves of ajwain patta and green chilies and little bit of palak leaves also. I will pluck and add them to the atta while I make choor choor paratha. Now to make shahi dal, I am going to need green moong dal, whole one, then chane ki dal, then I need kale maan, that is urad ki dal with chilka, kale sabut and rajma. So I am going to take 1 teaspoon of each and soak it in water for 3 to 4 hours. This is the spoon that I am taking, slightly large. This is my favorite dal. I just love it. It gives very good taste and it tastes very good with choor choor paratha. Now I am going to clean it and then soak it for 3 to 4 hours. Now take this dal that we had soaked for 3 to 4 hours and put it in the cooker and add 2 glasses of water to it and give it 7 to 8 steams until it is nicely cooked and it becomes soft. You can add half a teaspoon of salt to this before putting it on the gas. Add half a teaspoon of salt also. That increases the temperature of water and it will cook faster. And we always soak the dals, all the whole dals are always soaked before cooking because the process becomes faster, they become softer and they swell in size and you will never get acidity with some dals that create acidity in the stomach. So it is easy to digest also. Now after the dal is done in the cooker, make sure that it is nice and soft and blends with all the other dals. Then I am going to chop some onions, some ginger, some garlic and green chilies, and then I need desi ghee, that is cow's ghee, 2 tablespoons. I am going to heat up the oil and make tadka out of all these things and then add dal to this and keep it on slow fire for at least half an hour. Slowly it will keep on cooking. Keep on adding water whenever you feel that it has thickened up too much. Now for the tadka, take a thick bottom dekchi. For to make this dal you need a thick bottom dekchi क्योंकि उसको काढ़ना होता है दाल को, काफ़ी टाइम तक काढ़ना होता है. Add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. I usually use cow's ghee, so I am going to add 1 tablespoon of cow's ghee, and then I will add the chopped onions, ginger, garlic, and green chilies. I am going to roast all this until the onions turn brown. And then I will add the dal to it. You don't use tomatoes in this dal. We will be putting little curd and then later on we will garnish with cream. In this kale maan ki dal, you need a lot of garlic, lot of finely chopped ginger and 2 to 3 onions which are chopped for the tadka. The onions, chilies, everything is nicely roasted and I can get good aroma of ghee and the masalas that I have put in. So now I am going to add the dal to this. I have added the dal. Now I will add little bit of more salt. I have already added, if you remember, half a teaspoon of salt I have already added. So little more salt, then red chili powder, hing and little bit of kali mirchi. I have added very little red chili powder because there are already green chilies in this. Then I have added hing, half a teaspoon, a small teaspoon. Little bit of kali mirchi, otherwise it will become too spicy. Little bit of salt. And now I will add some curds and then इसको आधा घंटा slow fire पे पकने देंगे. Keep on stirring it from time to time. And in case it thickens, you can add some water each time. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of curds to this. The curd should not be khatta, otherwise it will spoil the taste of the dal. It should be 1 day old curd, not more than that. अभी ये पकता रहेगा on slow fire for at least half an hour. You can, if you feel your gas is getting wasted, you can put it on the hot plate or the induction plate on a low flame, low fire, low electricity. Now let us start making the dough for the choor paratha. The dal is cooking nicely and the curd has mixed into the dal. It has blended with it. But we are going to cook it for at least half an hour. That is what gives it a good taste. So what I will do is I'll put some water on the lid and let it cook on very slow fire. See, the water has dried up completely and the dal is absolutely ready. Well cooked, giving very good aroma, absolutely tasty, delicious. Now I'm going to add some cream to it and then I will make the choor parathas. If you don't want to add cream or if you don't have cream, then you can add white butter. That also tastes good. But don't use salted butter because as it is you have already added salt to the dal. Then it will become too salty. You can garnish with little kasuri methi. I don't use dhania patta. No haldi, no tomatoes and no dhania patta in this dal. Take little kasuri methi and sprinkle it. This will give very good aroma and taste also to the dal. Now my Shahi dal, Punjabi dal, maa ki dal is ready. So now let us make choor parathas and then serve it for lunch along with this dal. Now to make choor paratha, you can make it with atta and maida, you can make it with only maida, you can make it with only atta, or you can add a little rice flour also. I usually do that to make it nice and crispy. So now I have taken 3 small cups of, this is a small coffee after dinner cup, taken 3 cups of atta and I have added it to the parath. To this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of maida and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. I have added 1 tablespoon of maida and 1 tablespoon of rice flour to the atta. Now I am going to mix it thoroughly, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and then use water to knead a soft dough. Along with this I am going to add a few spices like salt, red chili powder, garam masala and roasted jeera powder. And the leaves that I had plucked from my kitchen garden, that is ajwain patta and palak ke patte, which I have chopped fine and washed thoroughly. So let us begin with the procedure. I have added 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now I will add all the pattas and then all the spices. The ajwain patta and palak patta that I have chopped fine, I am going to add this and then I'll add salt and the other spices. Salt, roasted jeera. Usually you add ajwain, roasted ajwain, but I am using the pattas, they give more aroma. Little bit of haldi, little bit of dhania powder, little garam masala and red chili powder. Mix it all up thoroughly. Then take water and slowly keep adding to make a nice soft dough. Mix it properly so that all the salt and the masalas and everything and the ajwain patta and the palak patta, everything mixes up. Knead the dough Knead the dough nice and soft. It will take 5 to 6 minutes to knead it properly. And then add little ghee and set it aside for half an hour. Cover it either with a plate or with a damp cloth. I am covering with a plate. Keep it covered for half an hour. See, after 20 minutes, the dough is nice and soft. Now take one ball, add sukka atta and roll it. You have to make it little thick. Thicker than the normal parathas that we make. Add a little ghee. Put some dry flour on it. And fold it like a fan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 folds, and then roll it. And keep it aside. Now the second one. You have to keep it for some time. Apply some ghee. Some dry atta. And then fold it. Roll out 4 to 5 rotis like this and keep them for 5 minutes. Now take this one, apply some dry flour and roll it out. Try to avoid sukha atta. Roll it out as it is. Now heat a tawa and place this on the tawa. While this is getting ready, you can roll out the other one. Turn this. Turn it over. Press it from the sides. See, you can see the layers. So now apply some oil, ghee. Apply ghee on the other side also. Okay, there. Roll it. See, now it is nicely done. Remove it on a clean towel or a napkin, and then fold the napkin and crush it. So this is your chur chur paratha is ready. Apply a little butter and serve it with dal. So my chur chur paratha and shahi dal are ready to serve. Very delicious, extremely tasty, yummy, filling. Enjoy yourself. Have a good lunch. Have a good day. Please like, subscribe and comment, and do share if you feel like, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Enjoy your lunch. Have a good day.